This is crazy. It's like all these cars up apart. Like, wow, that's crazy. Okay, Presto.
Fuck. The fuck? Presto. Oh my god.
Weather, because you know. Wow, wow. Whoa, what was that? Okay, kind of like, you know.
Okay, Presto.
Wow. Okay, Presto.
Screeched his tires.
Yeah, all that for what? There wasn't even no cars behind
I
us.
know.
Some days I just wanna up and call it quits. I feel like I'm surrounded by a wall of bricks. Every time I go to get up, I just fall.
Supposed to go left. It was in a left turn only. He went straight. Wow. Okay, Presto. He was supposed to make a left. That's how accidents happen, man.
I'm no longer scared now. That I'm serving from my soul for the beauty and curse.
Look at this guy. What the hell? Really? Wow.
Former Democratic presidential primary candidate. The others are either citywide officials or folks who.
So here's how digital health passports work.
So what he's doing? He's like driving in the middle of two lanes. This guy's speeding. Wow. He's braking going like 10 miles less than the speed limit. Wow.
Where is he gonna go in now? Oh shit. Whoa. Fuck, man. Fucking cabrone, coño. Okay, Presto. Fucking asshole.
Do a big tech drive.
First introduced the federal minimum wage. He said it was meant to be the wages of a decent living. In 1938, Dow's established at 25 cents an hour. Since then, it's been raised 22 times. But after 1968, it just couldn't keep up with inflation. So
And the danger of the snow, so I mean, I guess people got to get their heat, right? He like went down and skipped everybody. Oh wow.
Demolishing one department and switching to a new was an extreme reaction to an extreme problem. Demolishing one department and switching to a new was an extreme reaction to an extreme problem.
শুধু নয় প্রতিদিন ভালোবাসি তোমাকে
she doesn't, and that's fine. But just say you're going through your process, point people in the right direction of the experts, and don't front like you're healed when you're really broken. Really, really, really clearly.
Absolutely. And I think also when it comes to it too, you know, we talk about our relationship like me and my wife have a podcast.
What the fuck was that?
It doesn't have a button. So click and drag and move it around. Also click and drag.
Like the poor man clothes. Yeah, what the hell?
Wow. You can't make this up. Okay, Presto. Guy just runs the light. Like, he goes around the car, he runs the light, then he's not even supposed to be making a left in that lane.
Wait. So you wait till you get past this
Wow. Okay, Presto.
See how they do? Simultaneously jump in front of you.
Okay, Presto. Supposed to make a right, he goes straight. He was about to cut this fan off. Wow. Someone's getting pulled over. Okay, Presto. Someone's getting pulled over.
Okay, Presto. Ran red light.
Look at the long rows of cars behind me, right? These people just skip. Look how everyone just gets skipped. We all patiently waiting here in this long row line. Look at this guy. I'm just gonna skip everybody. I'm sure they don't mind. Look at that one. Look at that one. Oh, I'm just gonna skip everybody. I'm sure. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's gonna skip me. I'm just gonna skip. I'm sure he doesn't mind. This is fucking. It's amazing.